Introducing LUKEaNOVATE.
Clarissa as the videographer,
Gwen as the researcher, Jen as the artist of the scene,
Belle as the leader of the group.
Teacher Azman as the guidance teacher.
For your information, our school, SMK Group, is located in Sraban, Sarawak, Malaysia, a school dedicated to nurturing excellence and character.
The rapid increase of waste, especially organic and household waste, has become a major environmental concern. Without proper management, it leads to pollution, health risks, and contributes to climate change. There is a critical need for innovative and sustainable solutions to reduce waste and its impact on our planet. So, what's the solution to this problem?
Let us introduce our product, which is compressed fuel biobricks, a smart, sustainable solution crafted entirely from organic and household waste. Apparently, these are not just bricks, but they are blocks of clean energy, made by compressing recycled materials into solid dense bricks, which they burn longer, cleaner, and cheaper than firewood or charcoal. With biobricks, we can stop cutting down trees, reduce harmful smoke, lower the cost of fuel, and turn waste into something powerful.
Appearance: a smooth cube biobrick with a slightly lighter color and the biobrick logo on the surface. Size: 5.5 cm times by 5.5 cm times by 6.5 cm.
Biobricks are intentionally compact. Why, you ask? Because small size means easy transfer, faster drying, and efficient burning.
Our biobrick is made from simple, eco-friendly material like paper scraps, cardboard or newspaper, act as a binder, sawdust, dry leaf, grass clippings or rice husks, main fuel source, food waste, optional, coffee grounds, banana peels or eggshells for added energy, cornstarch or flour paste, optional, for stronger binding, water for soaking and mixing, a drying area in sunlight or oven.
These are the materials that we use from Mr. DIY.
2 pairs of gloves for protection, a cutter to sculpt the brick, and a silicone ice mold. This is the estimation cost for our product. Since the glove contains 50 sheets and the silicone contains 8 spaces, then we'll divide by it to see and find the total for a brick and to find the packet of 15 bricks. Before we end our video, we would like to say thank you to Mr. DIY crew for letting us film at their shop. Proud to share LUKEaNOVATE, turning waste into energy for a cleaner future.